I would like to invite our brand new sales master, and for this, I would like to invite Dr. Abraham Lee on the stage. Please help me welcome Dr. Abraham Lee. And now, I would like to invite our brand new sales master, Mr. Gen Solomon Lengen. Please, huge round of applause. जोरदार तालियां दोस्तों. सबसे पहले मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो प्लीज सर्टिफिकेट देकर सम्मानित करें, सेल्स मास्टर का सर्टिफिकेट. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. So please, I would request to Dr. Abraham to please give certificate of sales master. This is to certify that the above distributor is qualified for the entitled as sales master and achievement made possible by conducting the Atomy business with faith and passion. और दोस्तों, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि जब हम सेल्स मास्टर बनते हैं तो हमें एटॉमी की तरफ से 2 एटॉमी द फेम के सेट और 1 इवनिंग केयर का सेट मिलता है. तो मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज़ ये प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड करें, गिफ्ट प्रोवाइड करें. एज यू नो, आफ्टर बिकमिंग सेल्स मास्टर you will get 2 the fame set and 1 evening care set. और अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि वो बुके देकर हमारे ब्रांड न्यू सेल्स मास्टर को सम्मानित करेंगे. आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट अगेन डॉक्टर अब्राहम टू प्लीज गिव हिम बुके. Thank you, Dr. Abraham. Please take your seat. और अब मैं हमारे ब्रांड न्यू सेल्स मास्टर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि वो अपनी सक्सेस जर्नी यहाँ पर शेयर करेंगे. आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट आवर ब्रांड न्यू सेल्स मास्टर टू प्लीज शेयर हिज सक्सेस स्टोरी.
We have heard this many times. First, help yourself and help the others. I have tried many businesses to help myself, but I was never satisfied with it. Everybody wants to be successful, but success without satisfaction and respect is useless. I'm Gen Solomon Lengen, and I'm from Northeast India. I stay in Shillong, Meghalaya, which is the Scotland of the East. A very beautiful place to visit. Atithi Devo Bhava. It's been 1 year and approximately 3 months since I've started the journey with Atomy, and every day is a day to cherish. When I was first introduced to Atomy, I was skeptical about it because, as we all know, the image of network marketing. I didn't take Atomy very seriously at all. But one fine day, my mom said, look into it, try to find out what Atomy is. That was the day that has changed my life. As I start to find more about Atomy on that day, I didn't sleep for the coming 3 days. I couldn't sleep. It is not because that I was suffering from sleeping disorder. No, I was filled with joy. I was filled with happiness, and I couldn't believe that this thing could ever exist. I saw the dream. I saw the light. I saw the success, not only for me, but for everyone through Atomy. beginning, when I was researching about Arami, I thought Arami is a non-profit organization, going with the motto, cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, and serve in humility. But in reality, Arami is really changing life globally, not only through the absolute quality and absolute price and the righteous compensation plan, but also the company inner side itself. I didn't walk into Arami. When I made up my mind, I jumped into Arami because I know this is the most logical company that one can work. With the current technology, no one can beat the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy, even in dreams. Corona is the proof. We have seen for the past few months, Arami sales have gone up. Our managing director, Dr. Abraham Lee, have also explained us about VUCA, the uncertainty. The world is uncertain. We do not know what may come next. Let's all try to reason together. Are we ready for the next uncertainty? My father is a chief medical officer. If he gets retired, I cannot take his position. I cannot take his degree. But today, through Arami, I am sales master. I can pass it on my code up to my third generation. Isn't it wonderful? Due to Corona, have we stopped bathing? Have we stopped brushing our teeth? Have we stopped buying and using daily essentials products? For the coming 50 years and 100 years, we will still do this. And through Arami, I have, and everybody have, the opportunity to use this wonderful product and a very good residual income that we can earn from. That's why I do Arami. The binary system, downline, unlimited downline leverage, the righteous compensation plan shows the company vision for the success of all members. Arami is the first success global company that has a global member platform benefiting all party involved. I thank God, my family, my head sponsor, Brother Joe and Sister Shelley, our wonderful Korean sponsors, and Team Hope members for their immense support and guidance. And yes, thank you to Arami India Management, Managing Director Dr. Abraham Lee, and our Chairman Dr. Han Gil Park for giving us this opportunity to grow with Arami. Arami is rewriting the history of network marketing, and I'm proud to be a part of it. A new era has begun where equality in all aspects of our life and in our society. See you all at the top. Come on, let's do it.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मिस्टर सोलोमन, आपके इस बहुत ही प्रेरणादायक और बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल स्पीच के लिए. Thank you very much, Mr. Solomon, for this wonderful and very motivational speech. Thank you.